Every once in a while we get in a specialty bike here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And that's just what we have here. 2009 Triumph Bonneville 50th anniversary bike. This particular bike commemorated the 50th anniversary of the T100 1959 T100 model. And they made 650 of these in this limited edition run. This particular one is number 630 and has 645 miles on it. They came up with 650 because it harkened back to the 650cc engine that was in that original 1959 T100. This is a one-owner bike. He bought it brand new within our area here. He's the one that put the 645 miles on it. Enjoyed it some. Otherwise had it as a showpiece, kind of in his collection. And now decided to move it on and let the next person enjoy it. Color of this bike is Meriden blue and exotic orange. As far as the engine in these, they have a little larger engine than the 1959 model had. This would have an 865cc vertical twin, 5-speed manual transmission, also a wet sump lubrication system. Fun bike to ride, and taking a look at it, you can see a lot of the similarities that do reflect back to the older bikes from a lot of the chrome, that style exhaust on the Triumphs, even the shocks, and of course that color in that seat. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see the still pictures. We're going to fire it up so you can hear it run too. I will show you one thing right down here. There is a manual choke on it that can be pulled out. We're going to leave it out a couple clicks. Start it up, let it warm up a little bit, and I'll slowly work that back in. Key can be found right to the left here. Click that on. Take a look. We're in neutral. Now, I'm going to try to hold this camera, the clutch, and push the button all at the same time for you here. So, see if we can get her fired up. Nice idle, nice little lobe to it. Definitely be a fun bike to put some miles on. And again, you're not going to see a lot of them like it. I'm sure there were only so many imported to the US, Britain, different countries, and you can see the headlight working. All the lights work, bike checks out just like it's brand new. There you go, 2009 Triumph Bonneville 50th anniversary bike. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we may be able to help you out with the transportation of this bike. Just check with your sales consultant when you call in or email. I'd be happy to see what we can work out. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.